Assalamu alaikum everyone, once again welcome back to another video. So this is Raihan Ahmed, welcome to our channel. So guys, learn English step by step, speak English with confidence. So guys, don't worry about it, I am here to help you. So guys, those who aren't able to speak English, don't worry about it. You can speak English, okay, with your friends, colleague, dear brothers and sisters. What I'm trying to say, you can practice alone your surrounding area. So guys, just hang on a minute, I have a phone call. মাটো মাটো আছি মাটো আছি মাটো মাটো just hang on a minute, sorry to bother you. So guys, hope you guys are practicing. You people, you beautiful people are practicing English every single day. So guys, if you want to be a public speaker, okay, you should practice every day. You have to practice every single day, okay? So nothing else, nothing will facilitate to learn English, to speak English, with confidence, to speak English fluently, okay? So nothing else, only practice, and you will have to practice vocabulary, topics, several topics, easy conversation, okay? A number of structure classes, okay, a number of structures, okay, so that you will be able to speak English, okay, fluently. You will be speak English with confidence. So guys, you guys are able to see I am somewhere in the field. So a very good morning to you, because it's 6:30. Okay, so I wake up early every single day. I wake up early so that I can practice English, because it's a vital moment or vital time to speak English. So guys, I am somewhere in the field, you guys are able to see, okay? This is a beautiful playground to play football, okay? So sky somewhat cloudy, so but the wind are so sweet, okay? So you guys are able to see a cow is eating grass, okay? And as well as there is a 3 cows, okay, there is a 3 cows eating grass, okay? And you are able to see a mango tree as cut, okay? Okay, they are eating also, they are eating mango leaves, okay, as well. So guys, if we want to be a public speaker, or would you like to speak English fluently or with confidence? So guys, nothing else, you have to practice, you have to speak every single day, okay? You have to learn, you have to practice every single day, topic, easy conversation, structures, okay, several structures, so that you will be able to speak English, nothing else, okay? So the sun rising, okay? The sky is somewhat cloudy, okay? the beautiful playground. Okay, after some time I will play. Okay, there are a number of players have come. You guys are able to see. Okay, they are practicing. Okay, they are practicing. After some time the game will start. Okay, so guys, you guys are able to see my behind me a road passing. Okay, there are vehicle in the road. Okay, okay, let's go, let's go to see a boat. Okay, a boat. So just hang a minute, I am going to see the boat. Okay, he is catching fish. So what type of fishes is he catching? So just hang on a minute, after some time you will be able to see, inshallah. So guys, I would like to request, please practice every single day, inshallah. You will be able to speak with confidence. Okay, so you will be speak English with, he will be speaking English fluently. Okay, a beautiful playground. The surrounding area is amazing, splendid. Okay, outstanding. So guys, you are able to see a fisherman catching fish. Okay, this is not our river, this is a bill. Okay, bill Howard. Okay, the surrounding area is, this is Howard area. Okay, he is catching fish. So amazing, beautiful, outstanding nature. So it refreshes our mind, delightful, cheerful as well. So it charming. Okay, it charming me. Okay, I am really mesmerized to see the beauty of the nature. Allah's creation is amazing, outstanding. Okay, splendid. So you guys are able to see the surrounding area. How nice is it? Okay, how nice is. There is a cow. It is, there is a cow eating grass. Okay, how beautiful surrounding area. Okay, there is a number of house. There is a number of, okay, there are a number of houses. Okay, okay, after some time the game will start. Okay, the game will be start. The players are practicing. Okay, so guys, they are trying to play football, but I am trying to speak English. I am practicing English. Okay, so nothing to do. I have to practice, I have to speak English. Okay, I have to speak English. Okay, I have to practice vocabulary. Okay, structure classes, structures, easy conversation. Okay, several topics, okay, so that I can speak English fluently. I can speak English with confidence. I can means I'm able to speak English. Okay, I'm able to speak English with confidence. I'm able to speak with confidence. I'm able to speak English fluently. Okay, so guys, please practice every single day. Okay, 1 to 2 hours. Inshallah, it will facilitate you to learn English. Okay, so guys, the beautiful nature, Allah's creations, amazing, outstanding. Okay, there are mouth-watering, delicious fishes. Okay, so guys, but we are not able to eat because the fishes are too expensive, too expensive. Okay, and fishermen don't know, or there are no enough rule or necessary step to save the fish. Okay, how clean the water is, you guys are able to see. So guys, uh, I hope you guys are practicing, you guys are speak English, you guys are okay, you guys are practicing a lot, okay, several times, so that you will be able to speak with confidence. So guys, if you practice every single day, topic, easy conversation, vocabulary, you will have to learn vocabulary, because if you don't know vocabulary, so you won't be able to make sentences. Okay, lack of vocabulary. Okay, you know structure. Okay, don't okay, no problem, but you have to know, you have to learn vocabulary, because if you want to make sentences, you have to know vocabulary. So every single day, please learn minimum 20 vocabulary. Okay, so inshallah, structures, easy conversation, topic as well, it will facilitate you to learn English or to speak English, okay, with confidence, fluently. Okay, so guys, inshallah, we will be able to speak English. So guys, I would like to end the video now, because it's time to play. Okay, it's time to play. This is a structure as well. Okay, it's time to play. Okay, it's time to play, it's time to eat, it's time to read, it's time to play, it's time to walk, it's time to eat, it's time to say prayer, it's time to walk now, it's time to study now, it's time to uh, go now. Okay, it's time to present. Okay, it's time to present a topic. Okay, it's time to, okay, it's time to play now. Okay, so it's time to drive now. Okay, it's time to drive now, it's time to catch fish now. Okay, so you guys are able to understand, guys. So this is a structure, and I have made a number of sentences. So guys, you will have to make sentences like that. Okay, so guys, now today, see you some other time. Till then, assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe my channel.